Hemant, we had your CIO, prior CIO on the show actually at the end of last year, and she was talking about NOSC and talking about zero trust architecture. Sound like there's a whole lot of stuff going on over there at Department of Homeland Security. So get us up to speed as to what's happening.
Yeah, thank you, Luke, for asking. And yes, indeed, there's a lot going on, all good things. And you know, I think we talked about a little bit, Luke, you mentioned the COVID and kind of the way the telework posture has changed. So, you know, I'm really impressed how, you know, well things are moving forward in DHS, you know, with our critical cybersecurity initiatives, especially during this time, right? And there are a couple of things I think you mentioned. The NOSC initiative, you know, this is one of the key initiatives that we recently accomplished by aligning, you know, our OCIO Cybersecurity Operations Center with the Network Operations Security Center, also known as this NOSC model. Now, this is helping us mitigate, you know, the current cybersecurity challenges, right, by providing real-time operational and security situational awareness, which is really important. And this model is really also helping us in identifying potential issues with preventing outages and defending the DHS assets from hostile threats. And Luke, as you know, one of the main things we're doing is, you know, really aggressively moving from on-premise to hybrid cloud computing, you know, throughout the enterprise, right? This is really important. I think we talked about COVID and the pandemic and the telework posture. This has really helped us to be successful in addressing these risks that are posed by rapidly expanding telework over these last, actually it seems like a year now, right? So that's been really good. And even before that, you know, we have been emphasizing the importance of cyber hygiene to our employees, and we continue to do that. That's very important that the employees are aware of that. And we have put in, you know, enhanced infrastructure capable of handling increased telework. That's been really helpful. Besides that, you know, we have in actually last year in FY20 implemented the CSP program, actually, you know, in close partnership with DoD and kind of looking at their program, which is a cybersecurity service provider program. And I think that was really key, very successful for us as well. We developed that to inspect all DHS component cybersecurity operations centers against that framework and maturity standards. That was key. The transition of this model, the service delivery model, has really matured our capabilities and really, you know, truly promises to have a continued impact for not just for DHS, but working closely with CISA and their QSMO model for other federal agencies as well. So we were actually, you know, did a fantastic job in assessing all the component SOCs. You know, this is ensuring that, you know, all our endpoints get efficient and, more importantly, uniform protections against cyber adversaries. And then lastly, Luke, I'll mention, you know, you know, this always comes up, the cyber workforce, right, is getting increasingly difficult to, you know, to compete with the private industry, especially in federal government. So we are in process of implementing the cyber talent management system in close collaboration with our CHICO. And it's really the purpose behind that is to, you know, to streamline hiring and improve the quality and quantity of professionals in the pipeline that are ready to, you know, join this incredible mission. We are actually moving forward, you know, to a proactive recruiting approach with the CTMS model and creating a multi-path hiring assessment aimed at getting the top talent to DHS. You know, I mentioned, you know, this will definitely allow us to compete with industry for new cyber talent, and the building blocks are there. We were able to establish the program. I think it's just, you know, going to be implemented here very soon, and I'm very excited about that.